Simon Hamilton MLA, born 17 March 1977, is an English politician in Northern Ireland who served as the Economy Minister in the Northern Ireland Executive from 2016 until its collapse in January 2017. He was first elected in 2007 to the Northern Ireland Assembly as a Democratic Unionist Party (DUP) member for Strangford. Education. Hamilton was educated at Regent House School and Queen's University, Belfast, holding degrees in history, politics and law. He served as chairman of the Queen's Unionist Association and as a member of Queen's University Senate. Career. Hamilton began his career as an auditor with an accountancy firm in Belfast and was employed as a DUP policy officer in their party headquarters from 2003 until his election to the Northern Ireland Assembly in 2007. He was elected to Ardsborough Council in 2005 but did not stand at the 2011 election. Hamilton is Secretary of Strangford DUP Association and Vice Chairman of Newtownards DUP branch. He was appointed Minister of Finance and Personnel and replaced Sammy Wilson on 29 June 2013 in a reshuffle. He was later appointed as the Health Minister of Northern Ireland in a further DUP reshuffle on 11 May 2015. He resigned from this post several times during September and October 2015 in the context of a political crisis at Stormont. Personal life. Hamilton lives in Comer with his wife Nikki and two sons Lewis and Kyle. References.